Hi, I'm Jacqueline, and I'm here with Debbie, our product and shop manager for the Art of Home.
Hi.
And we are getting ready to open up our cozy stitch shop here in the Northern Hemisphere. We're getting close to fall, and so it's time to start thinking about all of those really cute fall projects that we want to make and we want to work on. Great things for decorating your home, giving as gifts. And it's just kind of like I always think of it as like a cozy season. You know, you just kind of hunker down with your hot tea or your hot cocoa because it's a little bit cold outside, and so you can just
And all
sit
those warm
inside.
colors I love.
Right,
Yeah.
right. It's a cozy time of
It
year,
is.
and so that's why we're calling it our cozy stitch shop. So if you go to our cozy stitch shop, you're going to find all kinds of cute autumn themed projects to work on this season. So the first one we wanted to show you is the Pumpkin Patch Parade Table Runner. Now, here, maybe we'll hold it this way. This is a really big, generous sized, and you can see there's all the different pumpkins in different fabrics. There's prairie points on the edge. So we've got the kit for this. Debbie, why don't we show them what the kit looks like? So there you can see you get the pattern, and the pattern actually contains instructions for a table runner and a square quilt. So with the kit, you're just going to get the fabrics for the table runner, but then you also have the pattern if you want to make the square quilt later on, you can do that.
Yep.
So that's the kit for the pumpkin parade. And then we also have some backing fabrics available. We've got this. This is our favorite here in the office, is this brown, and it has gold script lettering on it, and it says like Thanksgiving, give thanks, grateful, harvest, autumn, gather. So it's like a perfect backing for this. We've got this orange one that's got like some little sketch drawings on it, and then we've got a texture. It's kind of like a khaki tan. So backings tend to go quickly. So if you order your kit, get your backing at the same time if you want to. That's an optional
don't have
add-on.
a whole lot
Right.
of the backing.
Right, right. So yeah, if you're ordering the pumpkin parade kit and you're interested in a backing, pick up the backing at the same time. Okay, so that's our first kit, and then our next kit we have is let's share the Harvest Blessings. This is also a table runner. Now this one comes with these pre-printed fabric panels that are full color. It's really pretty colors in this. It's like this gorgeous plum color and teal and a light orange. And then this says pumpkin season. We've got a crow and a scarecrow and a sunflower, leaves. This one says leaves are falling, autumn is calling. So this is another really pretty kit. That one goes together really quickly, that table runner. So, and that will take you right from beginning of fall past Thanksgiving to when you do your Christmas decorating. So that's nice. Yeah. Comes with the pattern. And then we even have, I forgot that we have these. We even have the matching quilt labels. So you can label the back, and then you'll have some left over for your other fall projects. So like say you were doing your pumpkin parade, you've got quilt labels with a pumpkin and some other fall designs to put on the back of all of your fall projects. So we've got that also in the Cozy Stitch Shop. So now we've also got some other brand new kits, which are super, super cute. Should we talk about this one first? This is a hedgehog embroidery. And we don't have the sample for these. But if you go online and look, you'll see this adorable, it's like a little doll. It's got the hedgehog, and then we've also got, we've got the fox. So go to our shop, and look, and just look for these, and then you'll see a better photo of what the actual finished project looks like. Maybe one of us is going to have to sit down and make one of these. So we have the sample, because it's really cute. They're adorable. Yeah, and they're nicely packaged too. So if you want to even give like a little gift or something, maybe like a good beginner project, if you've got like a child or a teenager who's interested in getting into embroidery or crafting, they might be able to work on something like this. So what else have we got?
We have a linen and lavender kit. This is a new one. When these come in the office, my room is filled with lavender. The English lavender's in the box.
Smells good.
Yeah.
Okay. I love lavender.
Um,
So lavender, you could use it for a sachet, but I mean, they're so pretty, you don't want to put them in a drawer. But maybe you could use them as a pin cushion.
yeah.
And then every time you stick your pins in and out, you're going to kind of release a little bit of that
Yes,
lavender
yeah.
smell. If you're sitting at your desk and you've got one at your desk and you're feeling kind of stressed, you can just kind of take a sniff of your lavender. It's very calming. So this is really cute. It's got a squirrel, mushroom, owl, and hedgehog. And they have felt. So you're going to applique the little felt pieces to your background and then use embroidery to embellish them. So these are nice
Yes.
kits.
Yeah, they're so cute.
And
I like
then,
these hoop kits.
oh, I love these. They're really cute. Look how pretty these are for fall. We've got the mushroom and then we've got the squirrel. And also these are felt and embroidery. And you get the felt and you get all of the supplies in these kits. They're really nice.
You think they go together?
I think they do because they're both fall themed.
Yeah.
And they both have mushrooms on them. So, I mean, they would be really cute to just,
They both have
you know,
mushroom
yeah,
fingers.
yeah, display them during the fall season. Very cute.
And then to put your projects in.
Right, right. This is a vinyl, very generously sized pouch. It's got the fall leaves on it. It's got a kind of a decorative zipper at the top. Yeah, this would be great for carrying your projects, if you're doing handwork, maybe a cosmetics or a travel bag or something like
Whatever,
that,
yeah.
because it is vinyl on the outside, so it will wipe clean if you spill anything on it. I love these
Pretty.
little vinyl bags.
Yeah.
And I like that this one is so generously
This is
sized.
big, yeah.
Yeah, you can even fit like a notebook or a sketchbook and some pencils in there,
Oh, yeah.
Again, if you've got a child who likes to craft, draw, sketch. I know my granddaughter she sketches constantly when she's in the car, she's sitting doing anything. So, that's something that she could fit her sketchbook in and a bunch of pencils and colored pencils and stuff and just carry that with
Yeah.
her on the go to carry all of her art supplies with her. So let's see. Oh, let's talk about the needle minders because I know these are a favorite of yours, Debbie, in the
Yeah.
shop here. I'll
they're
let you hold
too
a few.
cute.
So we've got some brand new ones too. These are gorgeous. This is a floral pumpkin. And again, I don't know if you can see this, but go to the website so you can get a close up of all the detail of these really pretty flowers. And these are really nice you put them on your hoop if you're doing handwork, and it will hold your needle for you. The other thing is they've got a really good strong magnet. And let me see if I can take one. Yeah. So what we like to do here in the office is we wear them as a brooch. So look, oops, put it on the wrong side, but no pins to snag your sweater. Look how cute that is. That's adorable. I'm going to wear that today. Oh, we've got a fox. Again, lots of detail, lots of little flowers on there. They're so cute. I know some of you have started collecting these.
And these
The
are
needle
our
minders.
new ones. These are brand new. Black cat with orange flowers on it.
Cute.
Orange bow. Little mushroom house.
That is adorable. That goes with our other. Look how well that goes with our.
It does.
Look, it coordinates.
Eh,
So either for
cute.
yourself, if you're giving a little gift. My granddaughter also loves mushrooms, so I'm thinking I might give her one of these little mushroom
And a
kits.
cute vintage pickup truck with pumpkins in the back.
Yeah, the pickup trucks are still still popular, and it has like a little quilt block design on the truck, which is really cute. So yeah, we really like those. Okay, so we have books. So we have a few books in our shop, and this one I know we've had in stock before. Lots of cute projects in there. Again, there's one that even has a pickup truck. And then these are new, right?
Yes, these
So we've got, this one is Spooktacular Halloween quilting. Lots of oranges and blacks and greens. Some of the projects you could even just do fall colors like orange and brown, and you could make, like the quilt. Instead of doing the purple, do orange and brown and maybe like an olivey green, and it's a fall quilt. It doesn't have to be just for Halloween. It will take you right through Thanksgiving.
This one's autumn quilting with Wendy Shepherd.
Those are really pretty projects.
9 different designs. Yeah, they're very pretty.
Yeah, I really like that one. So, and then we've also got fabric. We've got our, and these are all brand new as well. We haven't released any of these. So you're seeing all of these for the very first time. Most of the things we've talked about today are brand new in the shop. We've never shown them before. They haven't been released yet. We're just releasing them today with this video. So, yeah, make sure you hop on over and see what we've got. So we've got these are half yard cuts of Halloween fabrics. These would be perfect for making placemats, maybe tote bag,
Yeah.
like a trick or treat bag.
Small little topper on the table.
A pillow. Yeah, you could do all kinds of things with these. Half yard of each. So the gray one has little black cats on it. I don't know if you can see that. The orange is candy corns. The purple is stars. Then there's this black with some spider webs, and then this really fun, funky pumpkin face one, which is adorable. Happy pumpkins. Yeah. So they're very cute. And then we've got all of these new fall themed fat quarter bundles.
This is a texture basic colors. Oranges, reds, yellows, greens, browns.
So you could actually, like, if you want to expand your possibilities even more, maybe get the Halloween bundle and then pick up the textures too. And then you have lots and lots of fabrics to work with. I think these coordinate nicely together. These colors do work together, if you're wondering. Sometimes it's hard to tell online, but they do all work together. This one is pumpkin spice. Very nice. This is Bittersweet Farm. It's got like scarecrows and stuff on it, which are hand drawn. This is really beautiful. These are all really pretty. Again, if you go to the website, you'll see photos that give you a much better idea of all the different prints that are in the bundles. This is called Feels Like Home. This one's got a lot of like nice neutrals, some golds, some kind of reddish, and then some kind of grayish blue, grayish teal. So non-traditional fall colors, but definitely would fit in with a fall palette and fall decor.
Yep.
And then this one, this is also fall, and these are a little bit more bright. Yes. So whereas this one was a little bit subdued in the colors, if you've got a little bit more traditional palette in your home, go with this one. If you like fun, bright things, this is adorable. Fun greens, purple, gold, orange. There's like a cranberry color in here, teal, brown. I love these colors. These are like my kinds of colors. I love this. So we have that too. So lots and lots of things to choose from in our new Cozy Stitch shop. We hope you'll visit. Hope that you'll find some things that you like. Have any questions, just write to us comments at JacquelineSteves.com and enjoy the cozy season. Okay. Bye.
Bye.